I tell you, it seems like the older I get, the more I have to go.
How dare you serve me this?
I wonder what's going on in there.
Get me the head chef!
Is that pork?
What are you saying? No, this is beef, not pork. Do you understand?
Please, forgive me, sir. It looked like pork, but I must have been wrong. I just came in to see what all the shouting was for.
This cut of beef is a disgrace. Tell me, what do you think of this meat?
I think it looks like a nice pork loin. No, nice steak.
Why am I asking a commoner like you? They've got some nerve serving me garbage like this. Where's the head chef?
What's wrong?
Are you mocking me? Get me some decent meat at once! How dare you serve me this piece of crap? I want you to serve me the most tender meat you have available.
Very well.
Well, that was impressive. You've certainly got some guts. Oh, boy. Should be ready about now.
Here you go.
Oh, it looks marvelous. Is it beef?
No. It's pork.
Delicious.